Good morning, all friends. In last session, we have discussed about the basics from the chapter 10, adolescence and puberty. In this, we have discussed that at a certain age, you can get some changes in your body, which is known as adolescence. Some changes in body, some maturity leading to reproductive maturity. After that, some emotional change also you can get. This type of changes is simply known as adolescence. In this session, we are going to discuss our next topic, that is topic 10.2, changes at puberty. So, in this session, we will discuss about increase in height, but in this topic, changes at puberty, we have some different topics like increase in height, increase in body shape, or changes in body shape. After that, voice change, development of sex organs, Adam's apple, that principle. After this one, reaching mental, intellectual, and emotional maturity. So we will discuss about all these things in detail. But in this session, we are going to discuss about increase in height. So the most conspicuous change during puberty is the sudden increase in height. At this time, the long bones, that is, the bones of the arms and the legs, elongate and make a person tall. You can say that the bones, long bones, like bones of arms and the legs, elongate. So simply it means they are having some greater height, we can say, and make a person tall. So you are given the activity 10.1 to understand some terms like full height. After that one, change in height. So the following chart gives the average rate of growth in height of boys and girls with age. The figures in column 2 and 3 give the percentage of the height a person has reached at the age given in column 1. In this table, you are given age in years of a person, percentage of full height of boys and girls. Okay, so let's take an example of third row. So we can say that if the boy is having 10 years, okay, 10 years of age, then 81% of full height will be height. And if a girl of 10 years having 88%. Observe here that we have already discussed in last session that generally girls have earlier maturity or adolescence happens, okay, 1 to 2 years earlier. So for example, by the age of 11, a boy has reached 81% of his probable full height, while a girl has reached 88% of her full height. These figures are only representative and there may be individual variations. So you can conclude approximately figure, okay, the nearby figure from this chart, okay, for this full height. Use the table for your friends and work out how tall they are likely to be. Find out who is likely to be the tallest and who might be the shortest in your class. So if you will take numbers for 5 to 10 of your friends from the current height, then you are having a formula to calculate the full height. So age of all the students from our class 8 will be approximately 13 to 14 only. So generally you will have to use 88 or 99 92% as current present of full height, present percentage of full height for boys, and for girls it is 95 to 98%. Let's discuss this formula. Calculation for full height in centimeter. So you are given this percentage of full height at this age, okay, at the age of yours, and you will have some height, present height, you can write it in nominator of this formula. Here you are given an example that a boy is 9 years old and having height 120 centimeter, okay, or let's say 120 centimeter tall. At the end of the growth period, he is likely to be, if you put 120 centimeter here and 9 years old, so it means 75% for boy. Full height at this age. Okay, so 75 you will put here into 100. So it's simply 3 and 4. 25 into 3 it is 75. 25 into 4 it is 100. So you will divide 120 by 3, then it will be 40. 40 into 4 it is 160 centimeter. Sorry. So you can say that after the growth period, the boy will be having height of 160 centimeter. The boy will be likely to be 160 centimeter tall. So this was about activity 10.1. In this session, we have discussed it. In next session, we will discuss one more activity, that is activity 10.2, regarding this topic only, that is change in height or increase in height. So that's it for today. Thank you very much and have a nice day to all of you.